Funko Pop freeze over.
I've been all around the world, every city.
I think that just hit my nose. Did that just hit my nose? Long story, while I was at the mall, I was there for a whole different reason, unplanned, but I wasn't going to be at the mall and not run into box lunch. There was one particular pop that I needed for something I'm working on actually, and it wasn't there. But I did find something that I knew right away Mr. Mouse Diva would love. He's not a huge pop, like he doesn't like actively collect them, but there are a few that have came out that he really wanted. So I'm going to insert a clip here with 2 of them that I bought, and then I've got 2 really cool things to show you.
I'm so upset. Somehow I deleted the clip with me giving Tom this in the vehicle. He had said that he would really like to have this. I was so shocked that Box Lunch had it. I was, you know, just in there looking for something else. But so he got an extra Father's Day present. His expression was just awesome, and I hate that I don't have that. I'm so mad at myself for accidentally deleting that. But I also got, because it was buy one get one free, I got the Archie one. I told him, I said, you know, you can have this one. I'm not sure if you were into this. You know, it was kind of his time frame growing up. Figured he would. He thought it was cool looking, but it's not. And that was fine with me because I really like him. I think this one's really cool. And so now it is part of my collection.
If you want to see those 2 pops a little close up, wait to the end of the vlog, and during my outro I will actually show you guys those pops outside of the box. The big item, of course, I am saving to last, but I couldn't believe our box lunch had this. Now let me read this. So this is, there's a figure inside. Oh, it tells you what figure's inside. I really should like wear my readers in the store. So I guess Barney is what's inside. And it says this is a limited edition of 7,500. So anyway, they just come in this soda can. I'm really curious to know how this is going to come out. I know there's a few out there, and our store never had them. So they only had 2 left. So I went ahead and got one. Now, the price was $14.90. Now, Box Lunch was having a buy one, get one half off, which I think I just commented in that clip. And I had asked the cashier, I said, well, do these count as Funko? Because if so, then I'm going to go buy another one. So that I'm going to have that even for buy one, get one half off. But when I left and I looked at the receipt, I actually did pay full price for one of those pops, but I actually got the other 2 at half off. Like, does that make sense? So this did count. So let's wait to open this real quick. I want to insert something else for all you Minion fans.
You're gonna feel like a little kid. You ready?
I caught it.
You did catch it. So I got those because those are the Minion ones. So open it up so we can see what Minions. These are new. Hold on, let's show everybody. So, all right. So normally these Kinder toys have like generic things in them, but they've just put out some Minion ones. So I got 2.
I don't know.
And
I guess this
is one the toy. What is that for?
Is that the chocolate? Or is this the chocolate?
What is it? I thought it was just like a chocolate, like a hard piece of chocolate. What is that?
That's the chocolate.
I guess you eat it with a spoon? That's interesting. You're going to have to eat that. Try it.
I guess so. That's a spoon.
I thought there was just hard candy.
It smells amazing. It's not chocolate.
What is it? It's like pudding? Answers here. What is it?
Goodness, I don't know.
It's just goodness.
Yep.
Disney's very interested. He's ready for something to drop. Okay, that was a cool expression. Something you liked? What's it taste like?
This tastes like something. I just can't.
Oh, there's
Oh, it's
chocolate.
Nutella.
Oh, it's Nutella? Does it say it's
Oh.
Nutella in there? No.
It's like Nutella, and these are like little rice puff balls.
All right, well, let's see what Minion toy we have.
That's really good. Holy cow.
It's so tiny and cute. Oh, you're going to have to put it together? And do they have a list of... Oh, this must be which ones they have. Oh, hold on.
so
Let me open- stinking adorable. Is it a construction guy? I can only barely see. Or no, is he like a
No, he's like a
sunbather?
tourist.
A tourist. Let me see him.
With this little... Oh, he's got...
It's a little hole in his head for. So we opened another one and I ate the stuff. The white chocolate is extremely sweet, just FYI. Tell me it's a different one.
Yeah.
Yay! It's a different one.
Are these all tourists?
Are they all okay, this one is stinking adorable too. So he has sunglasses that move up and down. And Lakeland just put them together.
I broke it.
What do you mean you broke it?
Oh, I had it upside down.
Oh, you worried me. Disney's still really curious. So anyway, I did finish this. It does taste like a Nutella, but that white chocolate, woo! Sweet, sweet.
Oh,
my-
fanny pack.
He does have a fanny pack. Oh my gosh.
I broke it.
Now I have to get more of these. I wonder how many there are in all because it's not like it's showing you what they all are.
Show them.
Oops. Disney sneeze. Sorry, guys.
Oh my gosh. So I just realized that I am filming this on Father's Day. I haven't given Tom the rest of his Father's Day gifts yet. So if you've seen a previous haul vlog, you know that he is getting another Funko Pop that he has no idea it even exists. And I'm going to go ahead and insert that now.
Got some gum. Got some stuffing. Got some Abercrombie & Fitch. Uh-oh. It's another Lemmy.
One you didn't know
Oh my
existed.
gosh. He's beautiful. He's beautiful.
Yes, I'm showing you this pop through the trunk. So Mr. Mouse Diva bought this for Lakeland, this Mushu. I love it. It has Cricky. I mean, I would love to have this one, but he bought this for Lakeland for his birthday. And his birthday isn't until September, but why not get it while we saw it? I mean, it is absolutely huge. I can't wait. I really want this one too. But anyway, I couldn't bring this inside yet because Lakeland is inside, so Tom will have to bring it in early in the morning while Lakeland is still asleep. But give this vlog a thumbs up if you think this amazing huge Mushu is awesome.
Let's get to this, shall we? I'm really excited to like open this just to see. Oh shucks, this can's a little dented. Darn it. Okay, it just screws off. Good. Okay, so it just screws off because you know. Ooh, what's in the bottom? You know, I'm going to. Well, I am so confused. I'm sorry. You know I'm going to keep this because I'm like a collector. I'm not sure what this means. So it's a little cardboard circular token. It says 1 of 6,030? I mean 6,300? I'm so confused because I couldn't have possibly got like number 1. And it says there's 7,500 on them. So I'm not quite sure what that means. Now I did just read this that I hadn't seen before, and it says find the chase. So I don't know. What does that mean? Why is it? There's like something foamy or cushiony in there. So let's see. Oh, it's bubble wrap. And wow, this is a little bigger than I thought. And no, this looks exactly like the one in the thing. So I'm gonna have to look up what a chase would look like and insert a picture if I can find it. And I gotta figure out what that is all about. Cool. Okay, I looked it up and I understand it now. So I did not get a chase, obviously. The one in 6,300 is because that is how many Barneys there are. And the actual chase is Fred Flintstone. And there are 1,200 of those. So I would love to hear if you guys are a Flintstones fan. Like, I grew up on the Flintstones and Scooby-Doo. That was what was on after school at 4 and 4:30 when I got home. So thumbs up if you are a Fred Flintstone, Barney, Rubbles, Pebbles, Wilma, yeah, Betty. Yeah, I think I got everybody. Oh no, Bam Bam. Oh my gosh, how did I almost forget? And Dino. Oh my gosh, I love Dino. If you are fans of them, thumbs up right now. Hit it. Hit it. All right, so I found these at Target today. Again, it was an impulse buy. Wasn't looking for them. They were just at the register. And let's just go ahead and open up and hope that we get 2 different ones. Now, I am not... Oh my gosh, I can't get it open. Why did Lakeland open it so easily and I can't open it? Whoa. Okay, so I'm not gonna open the chocolate because I don't want to eat that yet. So let's hope for 2 different ones. And oh shoot. Why'd they do that? Like, why is the spoon on the other side? I thought I was opening the toy and I'm opening the chocolate. Okay, gotta remember, open, if you don't want the goodie, the food, open the side with the spoon first. Okay, so we're hoping for 2 different ones. You know, because we don't even know what the options are. Okay, is this a different one? I don't even remember. Okay, out of the 3 I have now, this might be my favorite. I am in love. So it is a little photographer. And look, he's holding all the pictures that he took with his camera. Isn't that the coolest? Okay, I'm going to show you how they actually show it, like on the little, it's saying, you know, they want you to cut it up where you can just show 1 photo. But obviously I'm not going to do that because I don't want to lose it. So I am going to keep it just like this. The back actually just a whole bunch of Despicable Me. Okay, yay. So we're 3 for 3. We're good. 1 more. Let's see. I don't like not knowing like how many there are. Okay, so this time I'm opening this side and okay. Yeah. Well, shucks. This one is a duplicate. Darn. If any of you guys have opened any of these and you know that there are other ones, please comment below and let me know what other ones they are, because I'll stop buying them. Like if there's only 3 varieties, then I don't want to buy anymore. So please let me know down below. Okay, this pop is the largest pop I've ever seen, and it's so big that I've had to come into a different room to actually like vlog it. So yes, the child. I had no idea that this pop was even out here, that it was this big. So I'm actually in Lakeland's room. And I'm going to show you the difference of these pops. Now, the main thing that makes this so big is just the width of his body. So here we go. This is a regular size pop. Got it? Okay. And this is like, I think that they're the 10-inch pops or what they call them. Look at the difference. Absolutely huge. And I was actually really surprised that the pop was only $29.99. So basically the same amount that a lot of the regular 10-inch pops are. So Sorcerer Mickey 82 on Instagram, you were correct. I did get the Baby Yoda. That was not even planned. I was there to, and I say there as in Target, I was there to get the new Marvel Pops that came out today. I knew there probably wasn't a good chance of me getting them because I didn't get there until like 10:30, 10:45, and they opened at 9, and I was correct. They had already sold out. Our store doesn't get a lot. But I always look at the pops while I'm there and normally drool and walk away. but this I was not walking away from. Like, no can do.
Who knew that there was actually trading cards? Mandalorian the Child trading cards. I had no idea. For some reason, I was thinking the remix aliens were going to be Funkos. I don't know why I had that in my head, but I actually found them. They're $5.99.
Now remember guys, I have a whole bunch more Funko Pop vlogs coming your way. I've actually finally filmed them all, and the ones I'm talking about are the around 100 pops that were in my garage waiting to be filmed that I forgot about, and some of them were purchased a year and a half ago. So I like broke them up so it wouldn't be one huge vlog. I think I've already got 3 out there, and I think there's 6 left maybe. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those Funko Pop hauls, and I will see you at the parks.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only